follow me and I'll get you into a table, okay? We'll go around this table, okay? I have 24. 24, yeah. Thank you very much. We're just gonna go around this table right here, okay guys?
Amber, and dark. The darker the color of maple syrup, the stronger the maple flavor. So I recommend we try the golden maple syrup first. So go ahead and try the golden syrup. It'll be very sweet and have a light flavor. Flavor, and is very sweet. It's good for things like coffee and tea, ice cream. It's a very popular sweetener or honey substitute. Now, if we're familiar with maple syrup, then we're familiar with the middle harvest, the amber maple syrup. The reason the colors change is because they are taken out at different times in spring. So amber syrup is about our middle harvest, so it's the most balanced and sort of like our middle flavor. Go ahead and try your amber maple syrup. Is amber syrup. Now, the final flavor we're going to try is the darkest of the three, the dark maple syrup. Like I said, the darker the color, the stronger the flavor. So this is going to naturally be the strongest. Go ahead and try the dark syrup. For marinating meats, things like bacon, ham, salmon, as well as baking. Things like cookies, pies, candies, even our fudge down over there, which you're free to sample. Anything with a strong maple flavor, we use dark maple syrup. Which was your favorite?